Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video, I know it's been a minute, but I wanted to do something quick, easy, out the door eyeshadow look that looked like it took you like 2 hours to do. And I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette and just do a quick tutorial. I did prime my eyes, but I did not set it with powder. So, because I just want to do a quick and easy look, like quick and easy, bam, bam, yes. So I'm going to start with a big fluffy brush. Of course, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill brushes because I love them so much. And I'm dipping into this brown shade, and these brushes are dirty too. I'm going to dip into this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to like plop it right here. Kind of placing it everywhere, but I'm mainly doing it in my crease. My kitty's in here today. She's getting so big. I'm just kind of being messy with it, really. Simple everyday look. I'm taking my other, it's kind of tapered at the end. I'm gonna dip into this pink, was it light pink shade right here. Put it in my crease. Taking a little at a time to build this color up. And I think I want to just do a touch of this color right here. And go right in my crease. Y'all, this weather in Texas is so cold. It was 22 this morning. So I just want to do a quick neutral looking color, and then I'm gonna take my littler brush and I'm dipping in this vanilla color shade on this in this palette and just kind of placing it right here. There's no product on this brush, I'm just kind of blending everything together. Then I'm gonna take my eyeliner gel by Maybelline, and I like the gel because it goes on smoother, really. Like, we're in a hurry, y'all. We got to go. We got to be somewhere. But look glamorous at the same time. You know? Concealer, what I do with my concealer brush. I just had it. Of course, I have to get close up, y'all. So, and anytime you're cleaning it up, be careful. Push it. Don't glide it. Just push it on there. Alright, once you get your eyeliner done, I'm going to take a white eyeliner by Maybelline. It is White Luster, and I'm going to place it in my waterline. I've been doing this a lot lately. To me, it makes your eyes bigger, appear bigger. And then usually I take an eyeliner pencil, just using the Wet n Wild one, and place it right here. I'm going to take some highlighter out of this palette. This brown shimmery. Let's see what this looks like. That's just going to have to work because I'm just trying to use this palette for on the go. It's not really shiny, but it's going to have to work. So underneath, I'm going to use the shades I used in my crease underneath with a big fluffy brush. And then I usually take another brush and I use the skin tone color in this palette and I clean up right underneath it. And that is that. Now for the lips. The lips. We are going to use, what is this one? This one's by Believe Beauty. Almost Rose, so I guess we'll use this because it kind of fits, you know, the vibe with this palette. I always, hang on, overline my lips always. Y'all know me, I don't like falsies. I just don't like the way they feel. Oh, y'all, I've been practicing for Thanksgiving. I'm so proud of myself. I actually did it. Accomplished making dressing. I'm so proud of myself. I said, my gosh, I'm going to accomplish this with all my might. And I accomplished it. My husband loved it, so I'm like, finally, I did it. I finally did it. I like to apply a couple of layers of mascara. And then I usually get the lower eyelashes. I use the Bleed Beauty, the skinny mascara. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. It was only a couple eyeshadows, eyeliner, mascara, and lips. It took me 20 minutes tops, and I'm out the door. Thank y'all so much again for clicking on my video and watching it. Until next time.